Hello class, welcome to the next lesson. Today's lesson is on writing algebraic expressions with word problems. Make sure you take good notes. Here's the first slide. A ribbon of unknown length is taped to a 9-inch ribbon. Okay, let's draw that. So a ribbon of unknown length is taped, so that means attached, right, to a 9-inch ribbon. And we can label this 9-inch ribbon because we know how long that is. So that's 9 inches, and we don't know this. This is unknown, so we can call it X, we can call it Y, whatever you want. So the question is asking, what is the total length of the two ribbons? So the total means that you need to add, and so our total length is going to be X plus 9. Okay, please make sure you write this down. If you need to pause or re-watch this, please do. Here's the next problem. Jeremy bought 5 pencils for $W. Each pen costs 35 cents more than a pencil. Write an expression for the following in terms of W. So we know the cost in dollars of a pencil. We know that we can buy 5 pencils for $W, right? So that's for 5 pencils, but we want to know for 1 pencil. So if we want to know for 1 pencil, that means we need to divide them both by 5, right? So if we have 5 pencils equals $W, then we know that if we want to make this 1, we need to divide by 5. So we need to do the same thing to both sides. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, and so for 1 pencil, it equals W divided by 5. So the cost of a pencil that means 1, is W divided by 5. If you need to pause this and write this down, please do. The cost in dollars of a pen, we know from the second sentence it says each pen costs 35 cents more than a pencil. So that means we need to add. So if a pencil costs W divided by $5, W dollars divided by 5, we know that a pen costs 35 cents more. So it's just W divided by 5 plus 35 cents. And that is the expression. Okay? If you need to pause this section and re-watch it, make sure you do. Here's the next slide. Cheryl is now X years old. Part A. Her father is 24 years older than Cheryl. Find her father's age in terms of X. So if he is just 25 years older, that means we're just going to add. Okay, so we're going to write his expression as X plus 24. Since we don't know Cheryl's age, it's X, right? Whatever her age is. So part B. Her sister is twice as old as Cheryl. Find her sister's age in terms of X. Again, we don't know Cheryl's age, it's just X. So her sister is going to be 2 times as old as Cheryl, or twice. So that means 2 times X, and we can just write it as 2X because we know that that means 2 times X. Here's part C. Her brother is 5 years older than her sister. How old is her brother in terms of X? So her brother is 5 years older than her sister, which we know is 2X. So if he is 5 years older than this age, then we're just going to add 5. Okay, so if you need to pause to write this down or go back and re-watch this, make sure you do. Here's the homework for tonight. Alright, and I will see you tomorrow.